Hello friends, welcome to another Resolved tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to view HEIC file format files using the free FoneTool program. HEIC is a file format introduced by Apple. FoneTool is a free software that you can use freely at home or in your company. This software works on computers running Windows and is one of the best applications you can use on your computer. FoneTool is a small utility program that allows you to open and convert HEIC format photos taken on Apple iPhones or tablets to JPG format on your computer. It's very easy to use. Let's get started right away. Search for FoneTool HEIC on the Google search engine. Go to the www.fonetool.com address from the search results and download the free FoneTool HEIC program from the website. You can find the links related to the connections mentioned in this video in the YouTube video link below. Install the downloaded FoneTool free installer HEIC program easily by clicking through the installation steps. Once installed, open the program, click on the Toolbox tab at the bottom left of the screen. From there, a new screen will open. The HEIC converter. Click on the Add Photos section to locate the HEIC format photo on your computer. When you press the Start Converting button, the process will be completed. By clicking on the View Files tab in the opened window, you can now view the photo. In the description section of our video, I am leaving the link where you can download the program for free. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like it. Subscribe to my Resolved channel for more informative and tutorial videos. Thank you very much for watching.